Auto pan. So let's see what the auto pan can do. It can do so many different things. And we have some other videos talking about specific techniques, but let's do an overview of this great effect. Here I have a loop of just a choir. Let me make sure the BPM is correct. Nice, let's listen to that. Okay, let's load the auto pan. I'm going to drag it on the track. Excellent. By default, it doesn't do anything as the default preset. We do have to turn up the amount for how much of the auto panning we want. And by default, the auto pan is a dual LFO that will move the sound from left to right, basically automatically panning the sound. Here we have the rate of how fast is the auto panning. We can also synchronize it to our BPM. We can change the phase of both oscillators. And we can even go all the way up or all the way down. And now one of the LFOs is getting cancelled. So we getting basically, instead of auto panning, we get automatic gating, just up and down in volume, which can be really great, very useful. Nice. Here we can change to the spin mode of the LFO, which will offset or detune the different LFOs relative to each other to create some interesting stereo effects. Here we have the shapes, all the LFO shapes we can change. Let's put it so we can hear it. And randomizing. We can further change the shape with the shape knob. So for example, a very easy trick, let's do like a sidechain pump. We do have it in a different video. I'm going to put it on a saw, and then I'm going to invert it with the normal. Nice, so now we kind of have a sidechain pump shape. Excellent, and you can even offset it to change, kind of shift it on your BPM, on your grid. Really amazing stuff, extremely useful for not only panning, as you can see, but also volume gating, panning randomization or volume randomization. A lot of really great stuff here. Auto pan, very useful.